A life filled with doctor visits and hospital stays can be tough on a kid with cancer or other medical challenge. That's why the 190th Air Refueling Wing asked Stormont Vail if they could help families rise above it, if only for a day. We get to see the program take flight in tonight's To Your Health. The 190th Air Refueling Wing is on a special mission.
So there's a lot of people that have little kids just like you guys,
with Tinley as their focus.
This is called Pilot for a Day.
The 190th reached out to Stormont Vail about a new program giving a young patient a special experience.
So we're going to be going 4 times faster than your mom does down to Peak Boulevard.
Tinley is the first. Now 6, she was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia in December 2019, just before the pandemic. Mom Tia Benishek says while treatments weren't easy, the social impact is just as great a struggle.
While other kids are going to school and maybe learning things through social studies or doing things on field trips, Tinley has not had that opportunity. She's been completely isolated. To just have the in-person interaction with others who are really caring and wanting to bring light to a child that's been going through so much is very heartwarming, and it allows her to start regaining trust in other people.
Today, she's surrounded by airmen and women for behind-the-scenes access. After sitting in on a briefing, she and Brother Tripp were off to the hangar for a friendly greeting.
You're gonna give him a high five?
And a special surprise.
Your name is on it.
Veteran boom operator Nathan Neidhart brought the idea to the 190th from a prior assignment.
And just wanted to give back to those children.
He was even more inspired to make it happen when his friend and 190th pilot Sterling Scales' son was diagnosed with cancer in 2018.
There you go.
I've been lucky that both my kids are healthy, and just having someone so close to me that went through that experience and saw how it affected him daily, it really touched me of allowing these children and these families just to be normal and to have one day where they can just forget about it.
Between the cockpit and the boom operator's bay, Tinley came out of her shell.
You can put your chin on this?
Yep, just like
I don't even think they understand the capacity of how deep this runs in helping Tinley just heal totally. Because in the hospital setting, you know, unfortunately, the sad part is when children are being poked and prodded in ways against their will, this helps them build trust back up in relationships of adults.
a lot of guys in the squadron think I'm mean and I'm hard and I'm just this angry bear, but seeing that child smile and be excited that she could do a cartwheel, it was rewarding.
Push these up and it goes.
The most memorable part for Tinley,
I saw all of you guys.
and they saw her. The day capped off with a special salute and a flyby or two, lifting spirits and inspiring hope for the future.
Know that no matter what her past has been, that she can still move forward and she can still do anything that she's ever hoped and dreamed. And fly.
She got a couple flybys. She was shy until she saw that big plane. Then she wanted to do a cartwheel on the wing. Tinley is in remission with a very good prognosis. Stormont and the 190th hope to continue the program with a new patient each spring and fall.
Well, we wish